Hey, what's up guys, my name is GeekyZayd and you're watching GeekyZayd. I haven't been posting content since a month or two because I haven't got any support and views from the audience. In between I posted 3 gaming videos. I thought I would get the views in the gaming section also, but I did not get any support in that section also. Now I'm back with the technical section and I'll be posting the content based on technical in this channel. So today in this video we'll be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy F41 and I'll be telling you the specifications of the Samsung Galaxy F41 as well. So if you haven't still subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe the channel, like the video, share the video, and please do not forget to hit the bell icon to get my latest video upload notification. So guys, come on, let's start the video without wasting any time. So guys, here is the Samsung Galaxy F41, which was recently purchased in the Big Billion Day sale in the Flipkart. So here is the Samsung Galaxy F41. This is the box. It is not yet unboxed. In this video we'll be unboxing it, and here is the mobile phone and what is inside the box. It is having a mobile phone adapter, cable and ejection pin, and with a user manual. So come on, let's do the unboxing first. Just pretty glossy back. Yeah. Next, moving on to what is inside the box of the Samsung Galaxy. Here you are able to get a charger adapter which is from Samsung, and it is a travel adapter also. So yeah, now we are able to see it. This is this travel adapter. Next, moving on to the charging cable. This is the charging cable of the Samsung Galaxy F41. This is a Type-C charging cable. Moving on to the specifications of the Samsung Galaxy F41, it is having a display of 6.4 inch display, which is 16.24 centimeter. Next is the processor, which is the heart of a smartphone. It is having Samsung Exynos 9 Octa 9611 as the processor. It is a good processor in the Samsung smartphones. Next, moving on to the camera section, both rear and front. Rear camera, it is having 64 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 5 megapixel as a triple primary cameras with a LED flash, and the front camera is of 32 megapixel. Next is the battery of the Samsung Galaxy F41. It is having a 6000 mAh battery, which is compatible with fast charging, and USB Type-C port is there. Next, moving on to the colors of the Samsung Galaxy F41. The Samsung Galaxy F41 is of 3 colors, which is Fusion Green, Fusion Black and Fusion Blue. The display of the Samsung Galaxy is very good, and it is having a water drop notch, and the display is Super AMOLED display. The storage section of the Samsung Galaxy F41 is 64GB and 6GB RAM, 6GB RAM and 64GB ROM. There are two variants, which are 64GB and 128GB. I have bought this is the 64GB.